The proximity alarms have been triggered, sir.
Have they? That's no good. That's not a good thing at all. Because when that happens, it means we have to take care of some stuff. Gotta take care... Come on, XSplit. Thank you very much. Gotta take care of some stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a drill. We are currently being raided by Fire Crow and the Fire Crow Raiders. Lock up the games. Here at the Farrington Empire, we claim your games for us, not you claiming my games for you, my friend. Luckily, we keep our games safely locked behind these double-thick metal doors. We must defend ourselves by heading to the raid engine, but first, we must take the raid elevator. Come! We go! If one of my mods could type in !Raider and then Fire Crow. It's a new command I've been working on. I want to see it put in there. Do it! No time to talk. Run! Quick! Get to the raid engine! I'll meet you there. We must protect the games. Come on! No! A raid is when another stream ends and they bring their viewers to your channel in a way to show love. Why am I telling you this, Beth? Why did I say to tell you that when I was falling? Oh my goodness. Fire Crow, you think you could come here and claim my games for yourself, my friend? Well, I have only one response for you. Beaksworth.
What is it now?
Charge the lasers.
Charging lasers.
Fire Crow, that echoed. Your burp echoed on my stream. God damn it. Poopshoot, ladies and gentlemen. Fire Crow, thank you for your most magnanimous raid, my friend. Who the hell am I kidding? Sit the hell down. Jesus. That's my girlfriend. That's my girlfriend. I quit. I quit. I quit. Right when all the sounds stopped, just that. That was beautiful. Holy shit. Well done.
Oh, thank you.
Do you want to come say hi so everyone knows what you look like?
Well, let me get the dryer sheet off my
She came down to fetch a